hello, 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 hello. Happy, blessed Friday, everyone. Today, June 7, 2024. And of course, again, Rose the Melod Vlog. Thank you guys, and I hope everybody's okay, everybody's fine. Sana nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan lahat, lalo na sa ating mga nasa malayo, gaya ko na nandito sa abroad. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. And we hope and pray our family in the Philippines, they are all okay. And nagpapasalamat tayo kay God dahil okay naman tayo. Kaya lang mainit sa labas, outside, very hot guys. So, take care, careful. And thank you Lord. Dahil okay naman tayo at sa mga buong family natin. And I would like to thank all my followers who supporting me here in this platform. Thank you to all of you guys. Hola, mi amigas, mi amigos. Muchas gracias for supporting me in this platform. Shout out everyone. And of course, to our beloved idols. All beloved idols, shout out everyone. All of you guys in this platform. Thank you so much. And of course, I would like to thank also to those who's loyal supporters and my subscribers in my small YouTube channel. I would like to thank yesterday during my live, Bay Niman. Thank you so much, Bay Niman, for staying in my live yesterday in my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. And Bunga Action, thank you so much, Bunga Action. And Sisikoy Feli Lifestyle or Sisikoy Feli Cook. And Nia Batgawe, thank you so much. And Angelica Mukbang Vlogger, thank you guys for staying in my live yesterday. And to all of you guys, to all my loyal supporters and subscribers, to all my Sisikoys, I cannot mention already your names kasi pag may hindi napanggit ay may magje-jelly. Pero isa-shout out ko pa rin yung mga who's very close in my heart, and all of you very close in my heart, but they are my best friend, like Miss Laren Director, all the way from Baguio City, but now he's working now in Hong Kong. Shout out Sisikoy, Miss Laren Director, Yahoo, Ayu, hi. And of course, shout out din kay Sisikoy Agdaglagat Ponce, Sisikoy Angela Tanser, Sisikoy Nana Honey YPC, Sisikoy Dora Vlog, Sisikoy Princess Freya. Thank you so much, Sisikoy Princess Freya. Belated happy birthday. Thank you for your support. Even hindi ako nagpumunta sa live mo, nakasupport ka pa rin sa akin. I love you so much, Sisikoy Princess Freya. Hashtag 06 all the way from Kuwait City. I love you, Sisikoy. Thank you for your support. And of course, Sisikoy Habibing Ilog. Thank you so much, Sisikoy. Sisikoy. Sisikoy Shali Estrada. Yeah, all the way from Italy. Shout out, Sisikoy. And Sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii. Sisikoy Timbatke Bat Isnoti. And Sisikoy Feli Lifestyle. Thank you so much. And Sisikoy Mayatski channel. Sisikoy Dekada China. I miss you so much. Sisikoy Good Vibes Maris. Where are you now? I miss you so much, Sisikoy. And to all my Sisikoy na hindi ko nabanggit. Sisikoy Kusina ni Josie. Thank you so much, Sisikoy. And to all of you guys, of course, Holy Marie, all the way from UK, Nels TV, all the way from UK, and Coach Samuhing PD, our former admin. Coach Samuhing PD, all the way from New York City. Hi, Coach. And of course, Told Your Music Art. Ang napakagaling mag-gitar, napakagaling kumanta all the way from Baguio City, my cousin. Shout out, Tol. And of course, isa sa napaka-very supportive sa Saudi Arabia, ating King OFW, Zoil TV, of course. And to all of you guys who support me, thank you so much. Siyempre, of course, my sister in Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. Hi, sis. Shout out, sis. Thank you for your support and I love you so much. So, I love you. Ang napakagaling na chef supervisor all the way from Kuwait City, siyempre. Hi, sis. Siyempre, aking bunso sa Rachel de la Vega. Ingat nga lagi anak niya sa Pilipinas at saka lahat ng mga kamag-anak ko. Shout out everyone sa mga anak ko dito. Tristan and Ronald, April, Shara, and siyempre mga apo. Sabi, Amber, and Sabi. Siyempre aking aking apo din sa Cagayan, sa Apari, si Rhea. Hi, Rhea. Kumusta kayo dyan? Siyempre lahat ng aking mga kapatid na aking mga cousin. And gusto kong i-shout out ang aking uncle na the Bugtalot chieftain all over the world. Chieftain overall. Uncle Rosario Kama. Sapay ko mata malagitdak sakti apo day di Emilio Marquez, kapitan iti gayong ay iti Goribang, di Ponterino, no mabuyan dakman, uncle. Shout out kayo amin di ka nagtipunan. Siyempre, si Mayor ang iyong anak, ay di dakpaymot nga maamo. Mga katanagi, paano dyan? Katanagi. Ababan tabitang tae, binenjagin. Mapizyan mago, mapizyan maste. Katanagi all over the world. Shout out lahat natin mga bugkablot, gurot, ting mga kakordilyaran. Shout out everyone, Rosto Melod Vlog. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel, small YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. And also to my here in this small platform. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. June 7, 2024. Thank you. Happy blessed Friday again. Meron na ba akong Likas SGM? Nakalimutan ko. Likas SGM, Mayumi 888. Gandang babaeng pinagpala, Neljon Vlog. Shout out. Nako, jealousy pa naman yung anak-anakan ko na yan. Hindi niyo ako nababanggit. Sabi niya, pasensya na kayo, hindi ako nakakapunta sa mga live niyo. Nels TV, baka makapunta ako, tingnan ko. Shout out everyone. I love you all, guys. To all my former team, to all my dating team, shout out everyone. I miss you all, guys. And also, kamahalan to yung shout out Tiwala Lang TV. Shout out everyone. I love you all. Rosto Melon Vlog. God bless us all.